Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's see what is going on here on the euro currency. You see that price action in the newest trading sessions is rather tight because of the holiday on the Monday in Europe. In general, market is just waking up from the long holidays. So you can see yesterday was in fact the inside trading session compared to that day, with Monday. Now market is also showing some small candle to the downside. If you remember, our major question was, will market show some deeper pullback to the upside? Will it retrace the disrespected weekly confluence resistance that has been broken previously, or it will continue move right to the downside? It will be just the shallow pullback, testing the pivots and continue move to the downside. Based on the harmonic swing, we have come to the conclusion that at minimum the small retracement should come, because here is the end point of the just common downward harmonic swing, and every time when this harmonic swing comes here, retracement, the small retracement, the retracement harmonic swing has happened. Now it has happened again. Market has tested the weekly pivot point, and currently the major question is, will it tested the monthly pivot point as well or not, or it will continue move down? If it will start move to the downside, I have counted the same swing to the downside to estimate the potential target of this move, if we of course assume that market will keep this tendency in the future, and it will give us the area around 125.22 area. That is, by the way, the target of the engulfing pattern on the monthly time frame. That's really intriguing. So the major question is, as I said, will market will show another leg up, or it will fail there and continue move down? On the 4-hour time frame, we see that current price action is not quite common to any price action within this parallel channel. Previously, market has shown a bit different action to the upside. Here we see it looks weaker than previous pullback from this lower body. And what is more interesting is that is very similar to flag consolidation. It also could be seen on the daily time frame. So here we see some sort of the bearish flag is forming on the daily time frame. That's potentially a bearish pattern. So the question is not whether market will continue move down or not, but when it will happen. Will it happen right here with this acceleration to the downside, with failure of the upward continuation, or we'll see some action that will remind us the potential 3-drive pattern that we have discussed yesterday? If we'll take a look at the hourly time frame chart, we see that market has reached the level that we have specified. We said that keep an eye on the potential 618 support is the potential target of this retracement down, because it could lead to the appearing of the 3-drive. Well, in general, I have to say that this price action currently is not a perfect 3-drive pattern, because it looks a bit ugly, because you see that this swing is even greater than that one. We do not see some acceleration. So when we speak about the 3-drive, I prefer to see some sort of the wedge pattern. When the 3-drive develops in the shape of the wedge, that is bright exhausting pattern. But here it's a bit more gradual, more harmonic swing as here, so they are almost equal, these legs. But still, if we will measure the extensions of these retracements, so we see that was 127 retracement. 1618 stands right here. The 127 of that swing stands slightly higher, and you can see this congestion of these extensions coincides with the monthly pivot point that hasn't been tested yet. So theoretically, we have the reason to think that probably market could show another leg up just for testing the monthly pivot point, and that will be simultaneously the 3-drive that will lead us to enter short. That is possible. What's the risk? The risk is that swing low. So if market now will break the 618 support, continue move lower and take out of this low. In this case, the free drive will be cancelled. And in fact, I think that this could be the beginning of the downward continuation to the major 618 support level on the daily time frame. It's 126.74. 125.20 stands slightly lower as the target of this potential move down. That could be just the continuation with the harmonic swings on the daily time frame, as you can see with this one. So that's the major idea. So all trends currently are bearish, except maybe on the daily time frame, but that's actually, it's hardly to call as the pure bullish action. It's just a retracement. On the 4-hour time frame, trend is bearish. On the hourly time frame, trend has turned bearish. And take a look that still this actions, it looks like the retracement. We need to see some sort of that action, some acceleration, to speak about the continuation to the downside, because that is more gradual, and this action doesn't exclude the potential move to the upside. So what I would like to say is that in general, the one I see just the single reason to take the long position here is just you will get very small tight stop, and if you will be wrong, your loss will be very small, and risk reward, you can see, really very attractive. But by taking this long position, you in fact enter an opposite to the major trend on the euro currency against the major tendency, and the probability of the success is not very impressive. So that's a bit equilibrium between the small loss, potential small loss, but the probability of this loss is significant. So decide by yourself, would you take this position or not? The safer way is to enter if market will take out of this low, some small retracement on the intraday chart, with the target right below the market and the levels that we have specified. That will be a more reasonable trade with the better probability of success, because that will be in a row with the major tendency. That will be already after the failure of the potential pattern that could lead market to this area around 129. It just will be from the all sides, it's a better trade. So think, decide, assess the overall situation, but currently I do not see any possibilities for trading, either to wait for breakout and erasing of this potential free drive pattern, or dealing with this free drive, trying to catch this upward move at the scalp trade, if it will come at all, of course. So that's all that I would like to say. Let's see how it will turn, what will happen on the market. I hope that in the nearest trading sessions, market will become more fast and wake up finally from the holidays.